Is your AC filter this dirty? Clogged filters reduce AC efficiency and air quality. Replace yours today. Dirty filters harm your health. Allergens and dust circulate, impacting your family's well-being. Replace your filter regularly. Free 31-point AC inspection. We check every component to ensure peak AC performance and air quality. Hassle-free filter replacement. We come to you. Get expert filter replacement and a free inspection. Breathe easier, save money. Enjoy cleaner air and lower energy bills with our replacement program. Call today. Air Duct Cleaning Miami. Join our filter replacement program and free 31-point AC inspection now.